Content creation is not easy. You basically need to search for everything, right from your videos and the background and almost everything entirely. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Anna. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Just so you know, this background is big.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my...
I'll be teaching you on how to make this realistic YouTube background. You don't need to panic. You can start it with your smartphone. As it is now, I am currently filming with my smartphone using the natural light. The sun is not setting at the moment, so I am using the natural light. You can as well do yours and enjoy it yourself. While filming this video, make sure your light is directly facing you. Whatever light you are using, be it ring light, be it any form of light, just make sure it is facing you directly. And in my previous video, I told you how to make use of torchlight when filming your content. So you can as well place your torchlight and film this video. I will tell you one disadvantage about this fake background. When filming your video, you won't have to shake your body. You just need to, when filming this video, you have to be facing one direction. You don't have to move your body, you don't have to gesticulate too much. You just have to face one direction. Yeah. To make this apple, we are going to be working with just two apps. We're going to be using two apps, which is you're going to be using your CapCut and you're going to be using FreePic app. I'm going to drop a link to that app in my description box. The FreePic app is actually the one we're going to use to generate our background, while the CapCut is the one we're going to use to edit the videos. These two apps are actually free. They are free and they are easy to use.
The first thing you are going to do is to search for the FreePic app on Google, then search for the type of background you want. Right here I typed living room, so it's going to show different type of living room design of your choice. Looking at this background, there are some that are blurry, and I'm going to use this one because it is blurry, so there's no need for me to start editing it. Once you've picked the one you want to use, you click on download, then to take you to free download, then you click on the free download also. After clicking on it, while downloading, it will ask you to copy the link, so whenever you want to post it on anywhere, you have to attach the link with it to avoid copyright. This place that it was asking me to download again, I clicked on cancel because I've downloaded it twice already. So, but when you want to do yours, you just download straight if you don't have the background. The next thing to do is to go to your project and impute the picture in that project. You will have to drag that picture, like what you want to use. So you have to drag it till we are okay with the length of your video. Then you go to overlay and attach your video. After you are done with the length of the video, you are going to click on overlay, then adjust the video to where you want it to be. Of course, it will be in the center. After that, click on cut out, then background, remove background. While removing this background, it used to take time to load to finally remove the background, so you have to be patient, or else your video won't rhyme with what you are saying. Now that the background is removed, you have to play it to see how it is playing. then you adjust whatever you want to adjust, and you can as well use another background for the next video. You can just choose it there and attach it to the video. Yes, now you have to drag your video to the background. Looking at this background, it's not really rhyming with the video, it's not rhyming with the look and the outfit and everything, so I'm just going to change this particular background. I'm just going to change it and check for another one. I'm going to delete this one. I will impute another background. Okay, seems this one is cool, so we're going to leave this to it. You can as well filter your video. You can add filter to it, but I am not adding any filter because the video is perfect.
Now that you have learned how to improve your video quality by adding background, please do well to subscribe to my channel, like if you enjoyed this video, and by liking this video you're actually going to push more people to see my videos, which can be useful to them. And also, if today is your first time watching my video, please comment in the comment section. We have a free gift just for you. Thank you.